And then the next drama will depend on the story that ABS-CBN. So far, we don't know yet.
Pero ganun pa rin sa parang romantic ba?
It depends eh. It really depends on what they have for me. We can always adjust to what they want, whether it be a bida or kontrabida.
So you're open for contributing?
Why not? It's a challenge.
Sir, tuloy po ba yung may project daw kayo with Miss Grace?
That was last year. Dapat. Natapos na yung soap na yun. Hindi ako nakasama doon because I had to care for my heart. So, as of now, wala na siguro. I don't think Chris is doing any soaps or something.
Richard, if offeran ka ng Men's Health to do a cover, will you accept it? And are you ready na ba to do Men's Health? Or was there an offer already?
Oh, wala naman. Pero, yeah, why not? Men's health is, it's a very, it's about health and sports.
Okay.
Something that's very close to my...
Normally, cover nila is either, di ba, shirtless or, would you prefer the shirtless or...
Well, I have to work on that kasi hindi ako masyado nakaka-workout nga. Usually naman yung models na who do the covers, they have to work out mga 2 or 3 months ahead of time para to come out with a body like that.
But you're open.
Pero pag may mga ganyan,
Tingnan natin. Kung it's done in style naman, why not?
Thank you.
kung once may mga ganyan offer, ba kailangan ba i-consult kay
Actually, it's not my wife who does it's my handlers, my manager. Sila yung first and final say. My wife, she just guides me, pero wala sa kanya yung decision.
Richard, life has been good to you. Life has been good to you. Do you have a way of paying back? Or for like this week, last week, do you have a good deed? Like, mga ganyan-ganyan.
Yung mga ganyan naman, it's not something that we publicize. But we do share, we give to the church. We have a few churches that, charities that we help. And every year we do something. Or like last year sa Yolanda, we helped people in Ormoc. Yung iba, mga kakilala namin. So, biktima doon, lumipad yung bubong nila, yung mga ganun. Nagpapadala kami doon sa kanila. But we don't usually publicize things like that kasi hindi naman
Quiet lang.
Richard, where do you see yourself 10 years from now?
hopefully retired. No, if the showbiz industry is still in need of me, why not? I'll still be here. But I'll probably be doing more things on the business side. Thank you.